Hi, now I am going to implement our wallet application using Xamarin, the cross-platform, the mobile development. So I just opened the Visual Studio 2017 and click File, then click New, then Project. Here I need to select cross-platform. Here you can see mobile app Xamarin.Forms. This is cross-platform in Android and iOS. And the project name will be wallet, and the path I will give is Udemy. Okay, here you can give any path, no problem. Click OK, and here I need to select master detail this template, because this template will give few default code with default view, and I want to work on this, so I'm selecting this to decrease my work. So clicking OK, and it will take few times to generate auto-generated code. Here it is. Okay, here is the Android wallet.ios, and it's time to add few NuGet packages. Let's right click this solution and click where is manage NuGet packages. Click this one and scrolling down, scrolling up, click browse and need in Bitcoin. To select this one and click this to select all these two projects and click install, and it will take time to install this NBitcoin package to this wallet project, and need to click this I accept button to install this. Installation completed, and now need Newtonsoft, this package. Okay, select this one and make sure you select both project, click install, and the installation completed. Again I need JDXing. This package I need to scan the QR code. This is barcode scanner JDXing, and I need downgraded version because upgraded version has issue. This 2.3.2, make sure you selected this one. Upgraded version will not work. Upgraded version has issue. That's the reason. So click install. Installation completed. Okay, I need to, you can see here is my phone already connected to this laptop via USB connection, and I already installed the AirDroid application, and I'm going to open so that you can visualize my mobile view. So I'm opening a web browser, and here in this AirDroid application I can see a IP 192.168.0.106 colon 8888. Hit enter. Not sure. The phone and computer need to be on the same local network. Yeah, it is already. Mm, maybe my internet connection has issue. No, it's fine. Let's click web.airdroid.com. Here I can see scan QR code. Okay, I'm clicking scan QR code on my mobile and scan completed. I don't want to sign in. Need to scan this one. If right, my computer not AirDroid web, scan QR, and I'm scanning and click sign in my mobile. Now you are able to see my mobile view, I believe. Now I am clicking this screenshot and here you can see my mobile. This is my mobile view. Let's minimize this one. Yeah, here it is. So what I did, I installed this AirDroid application, you can see, and AirDroid web, I click this one, and anyway I'm clicking home button, and now go to settings. Yes, this one. I click settings and scrolling down, and I went to about phone and I clicked this model number couple of times. If you are first time, then you need to click this model number and or build number, whatever. You need to click couple of times to get this developer option at the bottom. Then click this one, then it will make it on to 1 like this. Click allow, OK. Scrolling down and make sure to find out USB debugging. This one you need to select. Click OK. Click allow. That's it. You can see. After allowing, here you can it changed to Samsung phone. This is how I connected my phone. Now I'm clicking run button, then it's running in, it will run in my mobile device. Let's see. It's taking time because it will build first. Clicking back button. right click, close all documents. You can see it's still taking time to build. What's going on in my mobile? You can see it's still in the same screen. Actually it will take couple of minutes, 2, 3, 4, whatever. It's totally depend on your machine. From Play Store I installed this AirDroid application. This application I already installed. Looks like Android application is debugging. Okay, here is our default application. You can see here browse, about, this is Xamarin, this is our default. This is, if I click second item, you can see go back, clicking add, and it can add whatever, click save. It's already added at the bottom. You can see this is our default project. That's it for this video. Now I'm going to add few classes. Let's stop debugging. Right click these models, click add, click class, and the name will be block. Then click add. So block class added, and here I need to paste our few properties to contact with our blockchain application. Need to create transaction class, right click, click add, class, Ctrl V, click add. This is our transaction class. Then need to paste our default code. This is our transaction, Ctrl S. Here this is the exact same property what we used in our blockchain application, and this block property is exactly the same as our blockchain. And now need to create another class which is credential to save our key. Right click, click add, click class, and this is credential. Click add. This class will hold our keys, public and private keys. This will be our public static class, public static, and this class will carries this public key and private key, these two properties. Ctrl S to save, and we need another property, another class actually. And right click these models, click add, click class, and Ctrl V. This is RSA. This class here we need to specify a method to generate signature. Delete this portion, Ctrl V. This is static class and this is sign method, and click this network and press Ctrl dot and hit enter using NBitcoin. This namespace dependency we need. Here actually generating the signature after giving private key and message to sign, the whole information, public key and private key and amount and the transaction fee. So this private key user can give from his mobile device, and this is secure. User can use their mobile wallet or desktop application to generate this signature, and this signature user can pass anywhere in the web, no problem. And we are done with this video. Thank you. Now it's time to change our view and expand this views folder and going to items page. Double click this one, items page dot XAML. Here we need to change this content page dot content, toolbar items. Okay, minimize this one, and this is our list of items. Actually delete this one and paste our code. Actually this is the code. This is a text box which will carry the public address, the sender address, and this is the text box. So you store this private key, and this is the save button, and this need to be clicked, this click event, and at the top of this there is a create sign clicked, this button. And let's go to this code behind file. Here is our code behind. Here we no need this piece of codes and no need this one. Let's modify the constructor. Here is our transaction properties, getter and setter. This is constructor and initializing component, and here we are giving the transaction the default. We are passing this default private key and sender key, but in real time you need to insert this private key and public key by your own device. Let's write code for the click event of that button. Paste, Ctrl V. This save clicked. When we click this save click, this function will be executed. Here actually we are storing the sender and private key at this location. In this, it's temporary actually, and we are display this message that your key is already saved. Actually here we are giving public key and private key. We are storing this information in our mobile application, the wallet application, and when we click create sign, I mean this button will be at the top of the view page, and that time this code will execute. This code telling that it will navigate to it will redirect to this page, new item page. It will go to new item page, this view the end user will see. Let's modify this one. Let's modify this page. Here we no need toolbar items, and here need to modify this one is stack layout, Ctrl V. Here actually this is the text box, this is text receipts. Here we'll display the total receipts, how much coin the user receives from other user. and here txt deduct. Here it will, I will show total deduct, how much coin this user spent to, actually how much coin we give to other people, and here we will display the total balance, how much coin do I really have. Let's go to code behind. Here need to change, here no need save click, here no button, and no need this property. Let's modify this constructor level, and no need this piece of code, and let's paste our default code. Here we will get our whole blockchain from the miner machine, and this is the variable, and we are getting the whole transaction of this user based on the public and public key actually. And here it will display, I'm not sure why getting error, need to save I believe. This txt receives already exist here, so it should not be lst is here. Sometimes Xamarin gives error, just ignore. Let's implement this getChain method. Ctrl V to paste our getChain method, and click here and Ctrl dot and hit enter. We are importing this system.net.http, and click here and Ctrl dot and newtonsoft.json. And this function is responsible to get the whole blockchain from miner's machine. And here this example I will show you later. Now we need this method to implement. Scrolling down, hit enter. Now paste our code. This is our transaction by address. This belongs to control dot using system.link. Here we are passing the owner address, this is the public address, and this is the chain, the whole blockchain. This chain we are passing here, and we are returning the whole transaction of this user. And just for now ignore this 4 error. At runtime it won't get any error. This is the problem of this Xamarin. Save everything. Let's implement about page. Click this one. We no need this. Let's delete everything. Select this one. Scrolling down up to this point. Delete everything. Scrolling up. And Ctrl V, this is our default code. Here this is the button of QR code. We hit this one and it will pops up our QR code scanner, and this is the text box. Here text to scan, and it will display here, it will display the price, and when I will click the pay button, the transaction will take place. So Ctrl S and go to the code behind, expand this one and click xaml.cs file. Let's modify this constructor about page. Ctrl V. This is our transaction property. We are initializing transaction fee is 2. Hit enter, click this one, control dot. Using 8 Bitcoin, no, not this one. We need using wallet.models, this folder. And fees already, we are giving default information, default transaction information. And we are binding this to this context. Now we are going to implement the QR code scanner. Control V. When I click the button scan click, I mean this button, then this code will execute. Click here and control dot and hit enter. This we need to go through the scan. This is TXT barcode. Here it will display the redirection URL and TXT amount. This will display the price. And this is getting error. This is the problem of this Xamarin. Please ignore. This will not affect in our runtime. Now need to implement another button, click event, Control V. This is button pay. This button pay click. When we click this one, this piece of code will execute. Let's implement this parse query string. So scrolling down, hit enter, Control V. Actually this is piece of code to converting the query. Control dot and it belongs to system.collection.generic. And this select, I believe, system.link. Hit enter. Okay, we are done in importing, and this will return our expected parameters. Actually, this is the conversion, URL conversion to the parameter. So when I click button pay, the QR code will get the complete URL, the string, and it will pass to this method and it will return the parameter value. Something like this. You will get some URL, then query string AB equal 1, then and new equal 2, something like this. Then it will give a dictionary where it contains AB equal 1, new equal 2. Click this one, control dot, import Newton's soft dot, and click this one, control dot, system.net.http, and we are done. So we will get this whole information from that string. That string we will get after scanning the QR code, and after getting this all parameters, we are passing to this method, this sign method, to generate the signature. Then we are adding this signature and sender address to this dictionary, and we are passing whole information to this location. The IP will get in from the string what we will get from after scanning the QR code. And this IP belongs to the website IP, so that we can hit this IP with this information. We are passing IP and product ID, and we are getting response. And if transaction succeed, that means payment is done and transaction completed. This I will show you from view, don't worry, and at the end I will explain again. So we are done everything. Let's save everything and go to main page. Need to change the name QR scan, and here it will be keys. Ctrl S. Let's run this project in our mobile device to see the end. This is our mobile. It will gonna take time to build this project, then run in our mobile application. You can see this project is building, and my screen is off, that's why you are seeing black screen. And I believe screen off, and it will, here it is, you can see. When I click save, I need to select from my mobile. I am touching my mobile. Save. You see, keys updated. So click OK. This view belongs to this page, items page. You can see this view. This is create sign clicked. This view transaction. This view transaction, and save button belongs to this save. When I click save, this code is executed, and when I will click this one, it will go to this new item page. When I will click view transaction, and when I click QR scan, okay, let me click QR scan. You see scan QR code and pay button. This exact same. So when I click this button scan, you will see the QR scan code. Let's see. I'm going to click scan QR code, clicking this one, and you can see my laptop screen. You can see my hand, and here is my USB cable, and with this view we will scan our QR code. So let's minimize this. Let's delete this, we no need. We'll apply this in our project, in our e-commerce application. We just built our wallet. You can see this wallet already exists in our already installed. You see at the end X symbol wallet. I'm clicking this one, and this is our application. So this application already installed in our machine. So we are done with this mobile application development. Thank you. Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you everything, how everything works, and make sure you have downloaded this Sharp Proxies, this project, and this project you will get in the description. And this Sharp Proxy I have downloaded from this GitHub. Actually I need this Sharp Proxy project because I will gonna test everything locally, and this proxy will help me to achieve what I want. I can test from mobile to my web application and everything will be interact as expected. So you need this Sharp Proxy project. So let's open our blockchain. This is our blockchain application. Right click, click open with Visual Studio 2017. And this will gonna take a while, and let's run this project. Okay, now okay, now it will opening one project and second project. Okay, minimize this one and minimize this one and minimize this one and go back to this, and let's open our shopping site. So our blockchain and cryptocurrency is running, and this is, let's right click, open with Visual Studio 2017. This is our online shopping site, and this need to be accessed from our mobile device because my mobile cannot interact locally. That's why I need that proxy server. But when you deploy all of this application in the internet, you no need Sharp Proxy. And let's go to Sharp Proxy, right click, open with Visual Studio 2017. Let's run this project. You just need to click start, and this will gonna open. Okay, here it is, and I'll gonna click allow access. So I need to specify, this is your IP address, this is, and 5000 is the internal port. Let's open our wallet application. This is our mobile development. Right click, open with Visual Studio 2017. Here it is, and let's see our payment page and what address we specified. Here is the address. (192) online shopping. And what URL we'll get? You can see here is the URL we mentioned, 192.168. This address already matched. Okay, so 5000 port number, 5000 port number. And what's our port number of this online shopping? Right click here, click properties, build for this project, debug. This is our port number 1587. Okay, go to this here and paste it here. This port number, this application I want to broadcast to this address and port number 5000. Let's not start this, close this one, online shopping site, and go back, online shopping site, double click, go to .vs, make sure you click this one and it is hidden items is selected. Click here, double click and config, right click and open in Notepad. In my case I'm opening in my Notepad++. Control F and type localhost and click find next. Here it is. It's currently running in localhost. This is our port 1587. Copy this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and it will gonna run in 192.168.0.102. .168.0.102. Make sure this is exactly same, 192.168.0.102. That's it. Control S, we already saved. And what we're gonna do, close this one, search Visual Studio 2017, right click here and click run as administrator. Let's try to open without administrator mode. It will not open, I believe. Yeah, you see, you will get this notice. This project must need to be opened using administrator. So close this and close this one. And go to Visual Studio 2017, right click here, click run as administrator and click yes. And here you need to select the project, file, open, project and solution, and this is Udemy online shopping, and here it is. Click open. Now it will open because actually we have changed the .vs configuration files, that's the reason. And now we can run this project. Click run. Here it is, 5000 1000, I believe not, still not. Okay, I believe this one. Control C, Control V here. You see, this is also running as we set, and we want this to be run here. So we need proxy. Click start. I believe it already started. Yeah, I can see it. You can see we already set this, so it already broadcasting. Let's see, here it is, our application. Let's go to our wallet application, go to wallet and hit run. You can see my so many projects running. Here it is. Try to find out. Yes, Yardroid, this one. You can see my mobile view. Let's delete this one, this one. Let's minimize everything, and you can see this view. Yeah, that's fine. And swapping little bit, this is our AirDroid. I am showing you using AirDroid. Not really. Service stopped by device, cancel. I made mistake. Need to refresh this page, and from my mobile I need to scan this QR code from AirDroid and need to click screenshot. Actually, you no need to do this to show AirDroid. I'm just doing this so that I can screen mirror everything so that you can see everything. I'm clicking home button. You can see my mobile. Oh no, again. Okay, here it is. Yeah, nice view. You see this wallet application already built and running in my machine here. You can see it. So I am clicking save button in my mobile device. Updated, okay. And if I click view transaction, this button, what will happen? View transaction. This is our items page, Jamel, and here it will go. Let's explain. When I click view transaction, this code will be invoked and it will go to new item page, this page, and it will come to this point. You can see, here I am throwing a breakpoint. You can see. Let's see. When I will click view transaction, here I am pressing view transaction in my mobile. I already pressed. I want you to show in nice way. Here it is. Okay. You can see it will go to the gate chain and it will pass through this. Let's do this. I want to get expand this one. It will go to this and API chain. That means online shopping, payment. Here it will come. So many projects is running in my machine. Not sure. My program crashed, looks like. Don't know why. Anyway, it will go to this directory API chain. That means here. And this will go to this chain. That means our blockchain. This application. Here it will come. And it will return the whole blockchain. And we will get the whole blockchain here. Yeah, getting exception. Why? Need to check the exception. Okay. Here is 198. This should be 102. What we specified is totally different than this one. Let's stop debugging. I want to make sure 192.168.0.102. Control S. Here it is. Get chain. Transaction by address. Let's check this file. This I don't need. This URL I will get from the online shopping site. So let's go to online. Let's run this application and go to online shopping. This is correct. Go to home index. This is index. The QR code we are storing, this is totally wrong. This should be 102 and 0. Control S. Okay, I believe the wallet is running in my machine. Yeah, it's running in my machine. My device, you can see. Hit save, you can see credential saved, and I am clicking view transaction. Here it is. Then it will go to this get chain here. It will come to this point, payment controller here. Let's go to wallet and hit step out. You can see we are going to the online shopping. Here is it. From here it will go to this main network miners machine that belongs to blockchain. Here let's go to online shopping and step out. Then it will come here and it will throw the entire blockchain. You can see the whole block. There is only one block. Let's step out. Then it will come to this and step out. Now you can see where is our application. Again crashed out. This is why local machine not good for testing. I don't want to any debug point. Let's run. Items. Let's delete this breakpoint, and I believe in my machine this is running. Save. OK. Click view transaction. Here it is. Actually, here it is. You can see this miner address 0. The system sent 50 coin to this address, this public address. Let's back. Here is the miner's address. This miner's address I inserted manually, and you can see the miner got 50 coin here. Scrolling up, here it is. This is the miner's address, and let's go back. I'm already back. Now clicking QR scan, and where is my online shopping site? Here. Let's do this. Now I'm going to click scan QR code. I already clicked, and you can see my hand. And now I'm going to click this. Let's click second video. Scan completed. After scanning this image, we got this address. You can see this address, PID, ID, recipient address. You can see everything. From my mobile you can see this address we got from this QR code, and we specified here index. Here is the QR code information. This information I am inserting, this value I am inserting here. This in this QR code, you see text equal value. This QR code carries all those information. So when I will QR code wallet and QR code is scanning code, where it is here, about xml.cs. I clicked this one, button scan, and After scanning completed, you can see this text got this and this amount got from that value. And now I'm going to click button pay. What will happen? This will call this API. I mean, go to online shopping, go to payment controller, and scrolling down, make payment. Let's debug. Here it will come when I will click pay button. I'm going to press pay button. Click pay. I already pressed. Let's see. Not sure what's going on. Wallet is still running. I don't think I pressed. Yeah, now I pressed. You can see it come to this button pay. I already clicked, and when I will click step out, then it will go to the online shopping. Here it should come. This port number is exactly same. One nine two one six eight dot zero dot, yeah, I believe same. This payment controller, this should come here. Okay, this my wallet application crashed again. What I'm gonna do, maybe too many applications running in my machine, that's the reason why not working. Anyway, I'll click this one, it will go to, let's run this application again. This will take a while. And need to click save. Okay, QR scan QR code. I clicked, go to this page, scan this one, click pay. Oh no, you see this URL is totally wrong. One nine two one six eight, that's the reason it's not working. How come this wrong? Need to check. 192.168. This giving wrong information. This image giving me wrong information. This home index. So go to online shopping. Okay, need to refresh this page actually. Let's refresh this page. Let's see. Yeah. Now scan this. Scan QR code. Yeah, now it's okay. 192.168.0. Now if I click pay button, what will happen? It will come to this. Click pay. Here it is. It will come. Then it will hit the online shopping site API. Here it is, it comes, here is the transaction, we already passed the signature. Oh my, again exception, why? Task was cancelled. Crushed again. Too much pain. Locally very difficult to show, too many application running. Anyway, it will not gonna get. This is after step out, then it will hit the new transaction of the blockchain application. Then it will add the transaction in the main network. Let's run this application again. Let's not run this application from, because this application already installed in our mobile device and too many application running in my machine. That's why I cannot debug this wallet application in my mobile device through this. So I believe you already understand what will gonna happen. If transaction successful, only that time this message will pops up. That's the story. So I'm closing this one, and here it is. Let's step out. Let's try to find out our wallet. You can see right corner at the bottom, wallet. I hit enter, click save, click OK. When I click view transaction, you can see 50 coin got. Step out, back button, QR scan. I'm clicking QR scan. Now I'm going to click scan QR code. Now this page is scanning, everything looks okay, and now I'm going to click pay. It's come to this and step out, and payment is done. You can see now I'm clicking OK, and what will happen? This should be I already paid. I'm going to keys view transaction. Let's see. Not really working well. This should come to this point. This is very complex situation. Saving, QR scan, QR code. Go to QR section. This is first second video. If I click pay, it will come to this point, and what message we are getting? Response is transaction will be added to block number 1. Oh, need to mine. Payment is done. Then it should online shopping, hit debug point here, click here, click OK, again pay, Here it is. The data message contains will be added to block. Transaction will be added to block. Transaction will be added to block, and IP does not equal null. IP does not equal null. Then it should work this. Await hub context IP. Let's see. Yeah, this is coming to this portion. Send, and it will catch here. It will be cached by this section. This is the IP. This is chat hub. This should be popped up. Step out, step in, step out, video add user IP. Okay, I'm adding. This is exactly same as we tested before in our home controller here, and it worked, and it's not working. Let's go index, click alert. I'm just want to check this is coming here or not. Refresh this, step out. Wallet, save, QR scan, code. Now, oh, it's worked, but not in real time. Let's try to pay this, click pay. Then it's working here. So if I did this code executed, and this should come here. This is the information I am getting at URL. So we are here. ID plus URL. ID is 5 and URL is this one. Oh, this is working. Then why not working before? So confused. And let's comment this one, Control S. Let's refresh this. I believe now everything is okay. Let's go to, let's try to pay another, what the heck, going to online shopping, step out, let's try to buy first video, and maybe here this is different IP, that's the reason, and this is local IP. Let's go to this section, saving again, QR scan code. This is our first video, clicking pay, come to this point, online shopping, stop debug out, it's going inside. Yeah, now it should. Okay, this video is running. That's it, everything is working. So online shopping, step out. That's it. You can see everything is working as expected. Transaction completed. Let's summarize everything again, what I did so far. Let's refresh this page. Yeah, number one video, 2 video, 5th video we already bought. Let's mine this blockchain front end. If I refresh this, you can see this information and need to mine. If I click mine, the transaction will be mined. Yeah, all transaction is mined. And go to Coinbase, you can see this is block number 2, this whole information, and nonce is 120. And now to go this wallet, and if I go keys and click view transaction, you can see the whole transaction history. Here it is. You can see my current balance is 83. So now let's try to buy this 6th video. Back, QR scan, clicking scan QR code, scanning this one, and click pay. Pay transaction completed. Okay, you see this 6th video is now we can see. And go to our front end, refresh this transaction, you can see one transaction. Let's try to buy our last video, I believe, which is this one. Control C, Control V. This is 5 most top secret. 5 most top secret. Yes, this one. Let's try to buy this video. Go to this. Click QR scan code. And now click pay. Completed. Click OK. So we can see this one, and this one will be affected automatically. So in our online shopping address, when this line will execute, this hub context, this is signal R, that time it will notify this method. This is chat hub. This function will be invoked. And here the source of the video will be placed here. This is how everything works. And go to the front end. If I refresh this, you will see another transaction, this one and this one. So this miner want to give this site owner 6 coin and 1 coin. Now let's mine. You can see already mined in block 3. Refresh this page. This is our block 3. Go to here, click keys, now click view transaction. Now our balance is 126. Actually we paid this site owner few coins. At the same time we are getting 50 coin from machine system as a reward, as a miner. I believe you understand everything. This is a long video and this is really complex because so many application is running, and you will get everything, all source code in this description. And if you will get any problem, let me know. I will help you to solve your issue. So thank you for watching this.